à l'accueil un invité spécial que vous avez dit nous, qui est là avec nous, et c'est pour la première fois que la là. We are going to welcome for the first time the presence of a very special guest from the State House. We have confirmation that she's here at the door, and she'll be accompanied by our garde d'honneur. Please, let's put our hands together to welcome Lieutenant Governor Karyn Polito. We'll have a chance to talk more about her, but clearly her presence, physical and moral, has been felt for quite some time in the community before she became Lieutenant Governor and after she became Lieutenant Governor. Once again, we are pleased to tell you welcome and then have you at this spot. Now we have a very special moment. We announced earlier that we also had with us Lieutenant Governor Karyn Polito. I would like to invite the chairman of H.A.U. to join us and welcome her for some very special moments. Ms. Limité, please.
At this time, we want to acknowledge the presence and also presenting an award to Massachusetts Lieutenant Governor Karyn Polito. Konye a, m'konnen ap manje, vi nou kontan pour nous capable présenter un award spécial ensemble avec le lieutenant-gouverneur Massachusetts Karyn Polito. Et pour nous faire ça, nous avons demandé the highest elected official from the highest Haitian elected official to come with us, Senator Linda Fiore, to help us present this award to the lieutenant-governor Karyn Polito. We have to say that she had a long bio, and you could see the bio and the work and the book. She has done a lot of work in state government and city government, and she has a heart to bring back, to give back to the community, and you could read it. But one other thing that I want to say, right even before she was elected, she was already among us, and I'm very happy. I was very, very happy to see her walking with us at the Haitian parade. Could you hear that? I was very touched to see that. And when we have her here, it's truly her commitment to the community that brings her, and we have that special recognition to her. So we're going to leave our own Senator, Linda Fiore, to present this award to Lieutenant Governor Karyn Polito.
Very good.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Bonsoir tout le monde. It is an honor for Haitian-Americans United to present this award to Lieutenant Governor Karyn Polito. I had the honor to serve with the Lieutenant Governor in the House of Representatives, and we've worked well together, working on issues that impact you, working on issues that impact our families here in the Commonwealth, and she's doing a fantastic job as a Lieutenant Governor. This is on behalf of H.A.U. presents to Her Excellency Lieutenant Governor Karyn Polito for her dedication to supporting the empowerment of the Haitian community by promoting business development and civic engagement, given on January 2016. So nous remercions H.A.U. aujourd'hui à qui ont présenté award ça de Lieutenant Governor Karyn Polito de Massachusetts. Son député le servi avec les comme député tout. Ils sont moun qui travaillent en pile sur behalf famille nous dans Massachusetts. So again, mettez-nous nous ensemble pour nous dire congratulations à Lieutenant Governor Karyn Polito.
Well, Fred. Thank you very much for having me be part of your beautiful celebration tonight and your anniversary of your independence. I am honored to be with each and every one of you, especially with Linda Fiore, my friend in government, who we served together for many years and became mothers together during that time period. And you have a beautiful friend in Linda Fiore to represent all of you on Beacon Hill, and I want you to know that she is joined by me as your friend also on Beacon Hill. I want to thank you all for allowing me to be here.
Moi content pour me capable ensemble avec nous aujourd'hui et particulièrement moi content pour capable gagner sénateur Linda qui était travaillé ensemble avec moi, qui était ensemble un moment ensemble avec moi, qui est prêt pour capable servir la communauté ça. Moi content pour ensemble avec nous aujourd'hui.
Doctor, I wish to congratulate all of the award recipients tonight, including Bill Forey and others. It's important for you to recognize the people in our community that value and support all that we work hard for each and every day. And tonight, I think with a hopeful heart of Detective Yves DeBambril and his family tonight, and think about all that he worked hard for and contributed to our community for, and may we continue to carry forward his legacy in our community with great dedication and focus, and never forgetting his contribution to the Haitian and the Boston area community. We want to thank the family very, very much.
Ma prends un temps spécial pour me capable reconnaître tout le monde qui gagne award aujourd'hui et particulièrement nous prenons temps pour nous capable reconnaître famille Yves d'Ambreville pour le travail qu'elle a fait et pour le support qu'elle a donné dans la communauté ça.
And finally, I know you have many to recognize tonight, but on behalf of Charlie Baker and our administration, we come tonight with a message of hope and a message of looking to partner and working hard together on a lot of opportunity as we move forward in this new year. I had the opportunity to meet some very special friends, Bukia and Stan, and thank you. And our friends Carrie and Jacques at Mattapan Tech. Thank you very much for having me last year at Mattapan Tech. And I highlight Mattapan Tech as just one small example of a way that the community can come together to empower people of all ages, of all backgrounds, with skills and an opportunity to do more and better in their lives. You have a community that is filled with faith and family and hard work. You have all the values that are necessary to succeed and be happy. And you need a partner in government that will work with you to fulfill the ambition and the ideas and the values that you hold in your culture and in your families and in your hearts. I'm here tonight to just say that Charlie and I embrace that with you, and we look forward to walking forward with you in the few years that we have together ahead. From Mattapan Tech to Detective Yves DeBambril's family, to the Forey family, and to all that are recognized and celebrated tonight, congratulations, and may we have a great year together. God bless you all.
I'm not going to translate everything. It seems you know, you understand. Les mails reconnaître Mattapan Tech ensemble avec Bukia, qui était toujours d'être 2-3 amis qu'elle était comme aider. Et reconnaître que nous avons besoin, 11 amis, on partenaire dans le gouvernement. Nous sommes ensemble avec lui-même, avec Baker, government. Ils veulent travailler ensemble avec nous. Ils veulent reconnaître nous. Merci. And thank you very much. We're going to have a traditional picture, so we're going to ask you to come just in front, and we have that traditional picture, and then we're going to continue with the program.
Who do you want for the pictures?
Let's go. Yeah.
Where's your boards? Okay.
We're going to ask, come on. We're going to ask Wilner and wife to come and join us. Some member of the board, please come join us and have that picture. Wilner worked tirelessly, but you never see him when we need him. When his wife work every day. Where are they? Please come have a picture. And we're going to have this traditional picture to just acknowledge the work that they have done, and then having the Lieutenant Governor be part of that picture with them. Member of the board of H.A.U. and Wilner will ask you to come and get that partnership. No, and I have to come as well.
I'm tired.
Thank you so very much again. We just had a conversation with Governor Karyn Polito, and we confirmed that next year, Senator Linda Dorsenafore or Buki Alwe will make sure that she tried the Haitian pumpkin and squash soup. She haven't tried it yet. Nous faisons une négociation là, côté lieutenant-gouverneur, on y attend qu'année prochaine, que ou bien Sénateur Forêt, ou bien Buki a arrangé pour faire goûter soupe joumou 1er janvier. S'il vous plaît, nous voulons les rapports l'année prochaine.